I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will know that how to add two numbers in Python. But before adding two numbers in Python, you need to know two concepts. The first one is input process output cycle, and the second you need to know about variables. So let us understand what is input process output cycle. So you need to know that your computer works on input process output cycle. Usually you give some input and your input is processed and you get output. So the same way a program works on input process output cycle, and in short it is also called IPO cycle. So I am also making a diagram here in which you have a machine or software and you provide inputs or input, and thereafter your input is processed, and thereafter you get output. So the program we are going to make will work on this principle. So in program you will observe that this principle is being followed. Now to add two numbers you also need to know what are variables. So variables represent named storage locations whose values can be manipulated during program run, and this word has been taken from Sumita Arora. Sumita Arora's book. The book name is Computer Science with Python. The exact word has been taken, so I am giving the reference Computer Science with Python. So again I am saying that variables represent named storage locations whose values can be manipulated during program run. Now I am going to write a simple program which will require three variables, and your program will add two numbers, and it will be, you can say that it will give an output. So let's get started. So your program will work like this one. You will have two inputs, A and B. Thereafter process. Here process means some computation. So two numbers A and B will get added, and thereafter you will get output, and the output would be C because you have added two numbers and C is referring to that number. So this is just pseudo code, you can understand, or I have written concept how to add two numbers in a programming language. Now if you want to write this program using Python programming, so first of all you will define a variable A is equal to 5. In Python it means that a is a variable and it is referring to 5, and thereafter b is equal to, if I write 7, so it means that b is referring to 7. A and b are variables, and thereafter if I write c is equal to a plus b, it means that c is referring to a plus b. I am again writing here, a is referring to 5, b is referring to 7, and c is referring to 5 plus 7. It means that it is referring to 12. And see that two inputs I am writing here. This is a process, and output, if you want to see the value of c, you need to use an output function. So output function would be here print. In Python you will use print c. So after running this program, your program will give output 12. So this is a very simple program in Python, how to add two numbers. Now let us run into on Thonny editor. So a is referring to 7, b is referring to 5. In demonstration I took a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7, but here I am exchanging and it doesn't matter. And c is equal to a plus b, and thereafter print it. If you print c and see the value here, now you can see the 12. You can also change the value of a and b. Suppose that I am going to change it 15 and b 25 and run it. So you can see the output is 40. So this program was how to add two numbers in Python. Hope you have understood it.